much sleep do you get?
Maybe 10. Okay, 5 hours.
5 hours? Nowhere near enough. No wonder you're tired. Research shows you need at least 7 to 8 hours sleep every night. When we are not getting enough sleep, it is harder to manage the stress in our lives. Sleep gives us time for our brain to process the day, and it's important for our development and concentration too. The last couple of years have been tough. What's happening for you now?
Just everything. Work, school, family. It's full on.
Let's work on some skills to help you with the stress.
How?
Why don't we try a few different things? Turn off video games, screens, and social media at least 1 hour before you go to bed. Go for a walk while on the phone with your friend, or walk the dog. Make TikToks instead of watching TikToks. Don't charge your devices in your room overnight. It can be tempting to keep playing when we should be asleep. And instead of sitting at home thinking about it, write in your journal, book, computer, or come and see me like you have. My job is to listen and understand how you're feeling. We don't need to solve all your problems today, but we are always here. Yep, go and get some sleep so you are not a zombie.